Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie, for those of you that don't know me, and I love to make home decor and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. So today I am back at my brother's house and we worked on his dining room area, and I cannot wait to show you how everything came out. I started this project with a vision, and honestly it came out way better than my vision. So let's jump right into today's video. I partnered with Homary to transform my brother's dining area. If you're not familiar with Homary, they are an online affordable luxury furniture and home decor company. Check the description, I will be leaving their link. They have a great selection of modern dining room furniture that you will love. So this is the before I work my magic. She got this beautiful dining table, and also they did ceiling track for the new drapes that we're going to be using here. So this is how the table looks. For this dining room area, I had a vision to create a functional minimalist space for them, and I meant modern, inviting, so that was my goal and my vision. Sister-in-law was adding all the new drapes. I went with a ceiling track design to give the space a more elegant vibe. Miss Little Caitlin taking over for her mom is helping Uncle set up the new light fixture. The right lighting makes a big impact, so replacing the builder-grade fixture will instantly transform this space. Now it's time to set up the beautiful Sherpa dining chairs from Homary. They were super easy to assemble. That was a plus for me. I love that they come nicely packed as well. We have a total of 6 chairs, and the hubby took care of all of them in, like, honestly, less than an hour, you guys. We took a little food break because Mama was in the kitchen. You already know, que ricura. So she made us yummy food, and then we stopped, ate, and we went back into work, you guys. Daddy's favorite little helper, finishing up those chairs for Mama. Yay! The next morning, it was go time. It was time to finish the dining space. So I had the boys hang these mirrors that I purchased, and I think they turned out so perfect. I wanted mirrors to make the space appear bigger, and that's exactly how it turned out. Choosing the right furniture is key when designing a space. I knew I wanted a modern, clean look for this dining area, so I went ahead with these Sherpa dining chairs from Homary. They are slick, comfortable, and exactly the vibe that I was going for. You can check the description box and use my fan code to save on these beautiful dining chairs. To add a touch of greenery and warmth, I styled the space with a vast olive tree. It brings in the natural elements without the maintenance. If you're in the market for new dining chairs, I highly recommend checking out the link in my description box. These beautiful Sherpa chairs from Homary are incredibly soft, super comfortable, you guys, and so stylish. They totally transform this dining space. I love adding a touch of greenery throughout the house, and this beautiful arrangement from Homary was the perfect little touch to the kitchen island. That was it for today's video. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful transformation. My brother and my sister-in-law were very happy and they loved how everything looks. So come back and don't forget to subscribe if you're not part of the family, because we're going to be redoing their living room transformation soon.